Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. I am back with another unboxing video. Yes, back-to-back unboxing videos. I didn't have this planned because I barely placed the order 2 days ago, but luckily Olfactory LLC, which is the best discounter for niche fragrances, they have the fastest shipping time. I swear, bro. I placed the order Monday, today is Wednesday, and I got it. So without further ado, I have 3 brand new niche fragrances to unbox, to review, and to see if I wasted my money or if I got my money's worth. Okay, let's see which one we got first. Okay, we're starting off with Mancera French Riviera. This one is an extremely popular summer fragrance on TikTok, hyped up to be one of the best niche summer scents. So we're about to find out if it's true or if the TikTokers were just lying to me. Of course, the Mancera bag. It is a unique presentation, I'll give it that. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I'm gonna just throw the bag away. But here's the actual bottle. It's a beautiful blue and white bottle. It looks like the Missoni Wave if it was, like, you know, enlarged a little bit. Am I tweaking or what? Like, look at this. They look so similar, but obviously this one a lot bigger. This is a 120 ml, so 4 ounces. I said in my comment in my other video that I wanted to give Mancera another try because I do have Mancera Oud Lemon Mint, and I'm not the biggest fan of that one, and you guys recommended this one to me, so I'm gonna see if y'all were lying to me. If you were, actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do, so you guys are lucky, you know. If I don't like it, you guys better sample it all so I can get my money back. But let's see and let's hope. Beautiful atomizer. Okay, so obviously right off the bat, some citruses. The lemon, I think I get a little bit of lemon because it is summer fragrance. It's not popping though. It's not like extreme, you know, nuclear projection, nothing crazy like that. It's a little bit smooth and soft. I did not look at the notes on this one. I don't like to cheat and go on for a Garantica, so I have, you know, mental notes, and I can be like, well, this one has plum and iris, and I don't want to be like that. It's just first impressions, complete blind bias. So I'm gonna have to spray it on my hand real quick. Beautiful atomizer, bro. These Manceras, I will give them that, bro. They have beautiful atomizers and bro, magnetic caps. There we go. Yeah, I'm trying to make you look good. It smells a little bit stronger on the paper, and it does smell really smooth. So those are the qualities that I like about it. It's nothing, you know, headache inducing, nothing intoxicating for your summer freshy. It's more of like a skin scent. I am worried though that the projection, it's gonna be horrible. Like, you're not gonna leave a nice scent trail. It's gonna be like one of those where people need to basically like sniff you to smell you. I do get what people say when they describe it as like a sunscreen type of vibe, which I don't really want to smell like that. I don't even wear sunscreen, which is why I'm so black right now, because I went camping over the weekend with my girl and I got burnt. Like, my girl gets red, I get black. I don't know which one's better. But the smell, it's decent. I give it like a solid 7 out of 10. Definitely, like, it's good for the price. I paid like around $90 for this one, which is not bad, especially for 120 ml. But I fear that like it might be replaceable with something cheaper like the Missoni Wave that I just showed you, or that there might just be better summer options over this one, like maybe Game of Spades Full House. But not bad. Definitely an improvement over my Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. This one, no oud, just a nice creamy, sunscreeny, lemony smell. Next up, we got a big one, man. We got a huge one. Not only the box, but the fragrance itself, huge. If you're an experienced collector, you already know what this box means. This box means a Xerjoff, part of the 1861 collection. This is Xerjoff Naxos. They always come in these beautiful boxes, man. And like I say, bro, Olfactory LLC hooks you up. This one is brand new, and I paid $155 for a full 3.4 ounce bottle. And here is the beautiful Xerjoff bottle. Let's maybe not drop it. Okay, look at this beautiful Naxos bottle. Hell yeah. Okay, it looks extremely yellow, a little bit more yellow than I expected, but still a beautiful looking bottle. I'm just glad I finally got this on my hands. People have been recommending it to me for so long. One of the best, most hyped niche fragrances of all time. So I finally get to see what the hype's all about. Okay, the cap, of course, heavy. Like, this thing can break a toe. If you drop this on your toe, it's over for you. The Xerjoff bottle caps are extremely hard. Let's test it out. It's all right. It's all right. I don't know if it's worth the hype. Smells to me like a mixture of La Tafacambra, the original, and like Rasasi Hawa's elixir. It is a little bit fresher though, but I do get like some honey type of aspect on it, and I do get like a cinnamon, no, not cinnamon, more of like a whiskey type of vibe. Something dark, you know, some dark alcohol, rum. I don't drink, so I wouldn't know how to tell you, but something dark, maybe like tobacco, something definitely that tries to be like a dark, playful smell because it still has the sweetness to like balance it out with the masculinity. It's decent, I'll give it that. It's pretty good. Let me spray it on my other hand, see what it's all about. Smells pretty good. I definitely see what the comments say when they're like, this one's a little bit more mature, more refined fragrance. I get that it's a little bit, you know, harder to wear, but I'm still gonna wear it. And now that I smell it more on my hand, I definitely, you know, I'm getting it a little bit more smooth. It smells kind of like, it's kind of drying down into something a little bit sweeter and kind of fading away. So kind of like a licorice smell that's trying to become like a cupcake. It's so weird to describe. I know you guys are gonna be flaming me in the comments, but it's pretty good. I give it like a solid 7.5 out of 10. I'm not gonna go to an 8 yet. I don't wanna jump into conclusions and give 8s, 9, 10s. Remember, this is first impressions. This does not mean Naxos is a 7.5 out of 10 overall. That just means my first sniff, my first little sniffs, reactions were a 7.5 out of 10, which is honestly really above average when it comes to these first impression blind buys. And the last one I'm also really excited about. This one's another Mancera. This is Mancera Amberful. This one was recommended to me by a very loyal subscriber of mine. He's always commenting on the videos and he's always giving recommendations, which honestly, like, he knows more about colognes than me, so he should start his own YouTube channel. I would trust him a lot. Whoa, I would trust him if this one is good. If not, then don't start your YouTube channel, bro. But hopefully it's good, you know, hopefully it's good. You're always commenting, so thank you very much. 2 Manceras in one video. This gotta be like sponsored by Mancera, right? If Mancera's watching this, y'all better sponsor me, bro. Actually, they're probably not, because I talk a lot of shit about Mancera, but this is the Mancera Amberful. Look at this beautiful yellow coloring. If there's one thing I love about Manceras, other than their magnetic caps and atomizers, it's the color of their bottles. They always got a very beautiful gradient. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, yeah, this one surprised me. This one, I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not what I was expecting. Which this one is a little bit sweet, but it's still a little bit like fruity and really fresh, which I do love. Like I said, I'm looking for summer colognes, and this one might be it. Smells pretty good, bro. It smells pretty good. I love this, whatever citrus it's in it. I imagine it's like bergamot. I do love it. I think this one's gonna be an amazing compliment getter. Let me spray it where I'm gonna spray it right here in the inside of my elbow. Let's see. I'm enjoying this one so far. I can't pick up any notes. Like I said, I'm not gonna cheat and look on Fragrantica because that takes away the purpose of this first impression video. But I guess something like woody, you know, I guess something woody, a little bit like, it reminds me of a cologne I would wear when it's raining outside, something fresh and uplifting, but it still has some sweet fruitiness. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like YSL Myself. I don't know if I'm correct. I could just be yapping and throwing you guys off, but to me, it smells like when I sprayed YSL Myself Le Parfum in Sephora. It honestly kind of resembles a little bit of that. Definitely good for summer and spring, and maybe even fall. I can see myself wearing this one a lot. Probably from these three, this has to be my favorite one. I said I don't want to give anything an 8, but this one, if I gave Naxos a 7.5, this one has to be an 8 out of 10. First impressions, it might go down a little bit, you know, after I wear it and I get tired of it, but for right now, this one, it has me hyped up to wear it tomorrow to work. So if I had to put them in order, I'd probably put them like this: right now, first impressions, the least impressive, French Riviera, then Xerjoff Naxos, amazing, and then Mancera Amberful, the best of these bunch. But yeah, I guess this was my niche fragrance unboxing haul slash blind buying session. Let me know if you tried any of these and which one do you like the most. Obviously, these are going to be available on my sampling store, smellbettersamples.com. The link is in the description. They are niche fragrances, so do expect them to be a little bit more expensive than the other stuff I got, but I'll try to make it as cheap as possible, especially these Manceras. Thank you for watching. This was a very successful blind buying session. All thanks to you guys for supporting me on YouTube, on my sampling website, on Instagram, TikTok, all of it. So thank you very much. Just smell better.